Hello everyone, my name is Hasita. I study in second class H section. Today I am going to show you an experiment about air pressure. For this experiment, we need a bottle, a straw, a balloon and a glass. Let's start the experiment. First, fill the bottle with water. Then make a hole in the bottle and put the straw in the hole. Then fill the balloon with air. Close the straw. Put the balloon over the bottle. Like this. Now I am leaving the straw. Here you can see the water is coming from the straw. This happens when the air pressure pushes down the water escapes through the straw. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy Science Day.